When the LCD screen shows the separator is blocked, the oil gas separator filter must be replaced. It should be replaced every 2000 hours. If the operating environment is poor, its life will be shortened. The replacement steps of the separator filter are as follows. Stop the compressor and close the air outlet. Then make sure that the machine has no pressure. Drain the oil before replacing the separator filter. Disconnect the pipeline above the oil gas barrel. Meanwhile, remove the pipeline from the outlet of the minimum pressure valve to the cooler. Remove the fixed bolts on the upper cover of the oil gas barrel, and then remove the upper cover of the oil gas barrel. Remove the separator filter. Replace with a new one. Install the oil gas barrel in reverse order of dismantlement. Note, when replacing the air-oil separator element, must prevent foreign bodies falling into the separator tank so as not to affect the normal operation of the air compressor. Air filter. Remove and clean it every 500 hours of compressor operation. Generally, it should be replaced every 2000 hours. If the operating environment is poor, its maintain time will be shortened. Oil filter. Remove and replace the oil filter. The first replacement of the oil filter is when the compressor has been running for 500 hours. After that, it is generally replaced every 2000 hours. The oil filter also needs to be replaced every time oil change. Lubrication is generally replaced every 2000 hours. If the operating environment is poor or the oil temperature is too high, its maintain time will be shortened. The main motor should be lubricated with grease every 2000 hours. When lubrication grease needs to be added, stop the motor first, cut off the power supply, and then remove the oil outlet cover. Then remove the 100 lubricating grease in the oil drain hole. Gel lubrication is recommended. Generally, it will not leak from the oil outlet, but if it leaks, stop adding oil immediately. Both ends of the motor housing have oil filling holes and oil drain plugs. Install the oil drain plug to prevent loss of newly added lubricating oil or dirt from entering the motor.